Radiocarbon dating has been one of the most important discoveries that scientists have made in the 20th century. It has revolutionized our understanding of not only our present, but also of events that happened thousands of years ago. Let me tell you more about it. Carbon-14, also called radiocarbon, is used to determine the age of carbon-containing materials that were produced by living organisms. It has many applications in geology, hydrology, geophysics, atmosphere science, oceanography, paleoclimatology, and biomedicine. The carbon-14 element is a weakly radioactive and unstable isotope of carbon. It is formed in the upper atmosphere by the action of cosmic-ray neutrons on nitrogen-14 atoms. It becomes a byproduct of rapid oxidation, forming carbon dioxide and then entering the global carbon cycle. Animals and plants continuously absorb carbon-14 from carbon dioxide during their lifetimes. When an organism dies, it stops absorbing new radiocarbon, and the radiocarbon it contains begins to decay. By measuring the amount of radiocarbon left in an artifact and comparing it to reference standard, archaeologists can date it to within a range of a few hundred years. Some materials cannot be dated with this method, but most of the organics compounds such as bones, seeds, leather, hair, pollen can be dated. Pretreatments are done on many different kinds of materials to remove substances or reduce the amount of contaminants that are present in them before the tests are done to determine their radiocarbon content. Radiocarbon dating is not 100% accurate, and because the half-life of radiocarbon is only 5,600 years, it can only be used to date objects that are up to about 60,000 years old. Beyond that, other methods must be used. Willard Libby was the first scientist to suggest that radiocarbon might be present in living organisms, and with a team of scientists, he developed a method to detect radiocarbon activity. In 1960, he received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for this discovery.